Hey dolls, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Anase, and if this is your first time stopping by, you're welcome. For today's look, I'm going in with Glitz and Glam Beauty World. I'm going in with a eyeshadow and glitter palette, so that's what I'm using. Guys, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Slay Anase. Please, guys, hit the subscription button and subscribe. Make sure you like, comment, and share my video. Thank you. Connect with me on all my social media pages, on Facebook, on Twitter, on Instagram, and on Snapchat. Okay, yeah, so as you guys can see, so this is just a simple look. It's also a summer, could be a summer glow kind of look. So I went in with that white eyeshadow base from Tara, House of Tara. Yeah, so by the way, I'm coming to you guys from Lagos, Nigeria. So yep. Okay, now so I'm going in now with that color for my crease. Like I said, just a simple cut crease look. This is my first time of using this palette, and I think it's okay, but my problem is it's not really so pigmented. If you just want to go for a cool look, so yeah, you can go with this palette. But if you want like a bold look, like you want all your eyeshadows popping and all that, you might want to use something else. It's a cool color palette, but the colors in it are not really pigmented, but overall it's okay. It's a Nigerian brand, so it's okay. My lashes, those are Vuan Beauty lashes. And this is also my first time using this Bobbi Brown face base. It was given to me as a PR package, and I like it. So that's my Elegel orange corrector to correct all my dark circles, and I went in with my MAC Gold Deposits. That's the Milani foundation. I actually used a darker foundation today. It was a mistake, but I think I ended up liking it. This shade is actually chestnut, but I ended up liking it. So I mixed my concealer with Tarte Shape Tape Sand Concealer and Bobbi Brown. I can't remember the other one I used. I will leave it in the description box. Yeah. Guys, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please hit the subscription button down below. Please subscribe, and subscribe. Please, guys. Yeah, as you guys know the drill. You bake, you powder your face, you rub all that. That's my Inglot face powder. After I like conceal, I like going in with my face powder. So that's the Laura Mercier translucent loose powder. Yeah, this powder actually gives your face like a warm, natural look, so that's why I always love it. And my bad boy there, CoverGirl Ebony Bronze to bronze my face. I like bronzing up my face. I like warming up my face, so I do that extra. Yep, feeling myself. Yeah, so I'm just trying to make sure my contour is sharp, my jawline is chiseled. Yeah, so I just go extra with all this. So I went in with my MAC bronzer in refined golden. So I'm kind of like um shaping my nose, if that makes sense. Okay, like contouring my nose. Yeah, so I'm wiping up all the excess powder I have there on my face, as you guys can see. So I also went in with the House of Tara eyeshadow base for my waterline. I've been dulling on this eye base from House of Tara. I loved it. I loved how the it made my eyes, how it opened it out. So this is going to be my new favorite, the eyeshadow base, the white eyeshadow base. So all the colors I used from Glitz and Glam Beauty World eyeshadow palette. So I used it around my waterline. Yep, that's my MAC Cosmetics Cock lip pencil, and I'm going in now with my Blood Cosmetics Say So. If you follow me on Snapchat, this has been my favorite lip color for a while now. I don't know, I'm just in love with this color. I just, especially when it dries, it's actually so cool, so pretty when it dries. And no, this lipstick is another level. So that's my color Pop Squats to set my face. So I see you in my next one. It's bye, guys.